Hey, what's up guys, Sam Rios here. Welcome back to Every Once in a While. Today I'm going to be reacting to Lil Yachty's new music video and song, Bring It Back, from his new album called Teenage Emotions, I think. So yeah, let's just get right into it.
I just want closer now. I just want to breathe your air and grab your hand. I just want to take you home and show you all. I know he's the one involved, but I'm in charge. Bring it back.
Okay.
Bring it back.
Alright, yeah.
Bring it back to my life, girl. Bring it back to my life, girl. Bring it back.
I don't know. I really love the 80s vibe though. It's really weird. He's got like this weird vibe to it. Ooh. They be goals? What? You need to bring it back. I'm sorry. Aw, not the shoes, bro. I hate her. I'm sorry, but she just... Okay, I'm gonna pause here real quick. I don't hate her, alright? But I just don't like her. Ever since I saw her on the XXL freshman list, I watched her video. I don't know. I just don't think she belongs on XXL. I have nothing against her personally, but there's plenty of other people on that list who deserve to be on there. And I'm just saying they shouldn't waste a spot on her, because, you know what, my opinion doesn't matter. Let's just keep watching. Sorry about that. Need you to bring it back.
All the times at the beach, all the sand in your toes, all your friends hating hoes, they just smack as we be goals.
They just smack as we be goals. Hey. You need to bring it back. I like to dance. I'm sorry. I don't know. It's pretty basic. The lyrics are pretty much the same. I only heard like one verse from him though. The rest is just like the chorus or hook, whatever you want to call it. But it's catchy. I mean, it's a nice song. Oh, you got the DeLorean? Damn. That's sick. I want the DeLorean. If that's a DeLorean. It might be another model, but looks like a DeLorean to me. I don't know. Please correct me in the comments. Her dad's at the door. Yo, that's fire. That's straight fire. Alright. Well,
I really like the song. I feel like it's one of those songs where you have to listen to it 2 or 3 times. Like if you're a Yachty fan, I feel like it's a song that you have to listen to it 2 or 3 times to like really get the feel of it and like start liking it. But I liked it right away. I don't know. I just love the tune. A lot of people hate the auto tune from I'm seeing from the comments, but I mean, I really like it. I don't see the problem with it. It's pretty cool for me. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go check out Michael's videos. He's uploaded like 50 times in the past week. He has way too much time on his hands. Tell him to go get a job, guys. He needs money. But anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share this with your friends. Please leave down in the comments what you want me to react to next, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.